Today I'm going to show you how to do operations using imaginary numbers. When using imaginary numbers, I equals the square root of -1. I squared equals -1. I to the third equals -I. And I to the fourth equals 1. And this just cycles on, so I to the fifth would equal square root of -1, I to the sixth would equal -1, and so on. First I'm going to show you how to do addition. We're going to take 5 plus the square root of -12 plus 2 minus 2 root 3 I. We are going to first simplify this -12 into 5. So it'd be 5 plus 2I root 3 plus 2 minus 2I root 3. Then we are going to add across. The 2I root 3 and the -2I root 3 would end up canceling, and we get 5 plus 2 equals 7. Next, subtraction. We're going to take 8 minus 3I minus 2 minus 6I. Now, first we're going to distribute this negative to here and to here, so that turns that positive and turns that negative, and we get plus, and then we just add across and we get 6 plus 3I. And that's in standard form, which standard form equals A plus BI. Multiplication, we're going to take 6 plus I multiplied by 7 minus 3I. You FOIL and you get 42 minus 18I plus 7I minus 3I squared. Then you are going to combine like terms and also take that I squared, as we said, and make it -1. So we get 42 minus 11I plus 3. Because the -I would make it -3, minus 2 negatives make a positive, so it gives us plus 3, and then that gives us 45 minus 11I. Once again in standard form. Finally, division, we're going to take 3 plus 2I divided by 5I, and we're going to multiply by the conjugate, and the conjugate is A minus BI. That would be the conjugate, and for this problem it's going to be -5I, and you multiply that by top and bottom, so, and then you multiply across, you get -15I minus 10I squared over 25 -25I squared, and then that gives you 10 minus 15I over 25, and then you simplify and you get 2 minus 3I over 5. And that is how you do operations using imaginary